Hmm. Hey guys, welcome back. It does seem like I lost you guys in the chat a while ago, so this is a new live. YouTube did drop me for whatever reason. I don't know why, but I did get dropped. So I'm just gonna quickly use it to mirror the Retina display, and then I'm gonna quickly once again use it to see. I just want to make sure that everything is working before we go live. Hold on guys, I'm having some technical difficulties. It seems like I just need to use a separate display. Let's see if I can make this work and make it work a little good. Okay, so we are back. We are live once again. I think we lost connection. I don't know how long ago, but I feel like we did lose connection. So I'm getting back to it. It does seem like Apple is going to open above 128.50, which is a good sign. We have a little bit of a sell-off here at Apple, but that's okay. Tesla seems like it is not going to be moving much. I mean, there is support at 713, so we are holding right above support, which is a good sign. But it does seem like that is what Tesla is looking like. Okay, so I think I like Apple for today. What else did we need to look at? Oh, AMC. Let's take a look at AMC closer to market open just to see where we are gonna be with AMC. I do think that we are gonna see, oh, did you see that big buy candle, by the way, right in front of where Tesla was. So 127.54. So Apple does look like it is going to open over 127.54, which is a good sign. Okay, so that's good. Things are moving. We're just waiting for all the viewers to come back. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened with YouTube. We got dropped for whatever reason, but we are back online. And we are going to be taking a look at what is going on with the market. So Apple's still continuing to rise. It does seem like, okay, we have 1 minute to market open, and we are very close to open right now. So let's see what happens at market open and where we are when it is time. Okay, 1 minute. I wish we had a bell that we could ring just to make sure, you know, that we're there for market open. Okay, so it does seem like we did have an issue with YouTube. We got dropped for whatever reason. We are back online, so we're just gonna wait for people to get in. And we are literally a couple of seconds away from market open. So market is just about to open, which is a good sign. And we are gonna jump back in and check out my portfolio as we do open for the day. So before we check all of these numbers out, we are gonna be checking out my portfolio as well. So let's actually click on that right away. And let's see where we're at. So Apple does look like it's going to open above 128.50. Well, close to 128.50, right? Okay, so we are up for the day, and I think we're going to go significantly higher as the market opens. Okay, let's wait for all the options to adjust, and we should be trending upwards significantly as my options decrease their losses fairly quickly. Okay, so we did open. We're just going to wait for this to adjust, and we are up for the day $1,700. So we're already up 1.3%, which is good news. And it does seem like Jumia is up. We do have stocks that are moving. Guys, we are officially opened, and we opened at $142,000 for the day. Okay, so let's see what's going on and what else is very close to breaking even. Okay, so RAC is not doing so well. It's still in the red. It seems like it's continuing to go down. Let's just click on it really quickly. And see where we end up. So it did bottom out at 1140, and it does seem like we are okay. Also, I just want to quickly go over CNBC. Oops. Okay, let's go here. Ooh, we have stuff in the green. Nasdaq is in the green. We are up just a little bit, but we are up on the Nasdaq. Let me refresh that really quickly. Oh, everything is in the green, guys. Okay, so this may actually change things for us a little bit. Okay, let's take a look at what is going on here. Okay, so we are up for the day, which means we are going to continue to see an uptrend. I just need to look at the volume and make sure that we have volume in order to be able to make some purchases. Okay, portfolio started off at 142. We are currently at 141,794. So let's see what is going to happen. Nothing you know, crazy right now, but let's take a look at Webull and see where we're at as far as, oh, look at that. Look at the sell on Apple, guys. Look at the sell on Apple. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. Dropping like a fly. So we did open literally, oh my god, it's continuing to drop. The second candle is a drop as well. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. And look at AMC, guys. AMC is officially below $9. So it was holding $9 as resistance yesterday. We are seeing a massive sell-off in AMC. Now that could be a lot of things, but it does look like we are seeing a huge sell-off. Look at this drop, guys. This is just crazy. Okay, you know what, let me see if I can get Apple is dropping like a fly, so we are going to lose some money on those Apple calls that I have. They are not going to be as good as we thought they were. Okay, so let's see what else is going on. I know that this is probably a pretty good bet, and I want to see, ooh, look at that. So PLTR did see a significant sell-off right as market opened, but look at the demand. So all those purchase orders at certain prices are kicking in and bringing the demand back up. Look at PLTR, guys. Look at Apple and look at PLTR. Just look at that difference. Look at what's going on. Sometimes, even though like I'm in both of these stocks and I really can't trade in and out of them, but it's really good to be able to see what is going on with the markets, right? That's something really important that I think it's important to watch, especially when the market opens. So market is opening red. So although we did have a green in some of these stocks, we are in the red right now in most of them. Okay, let's take a look at I'm trying to just see CCIV. Ooh, CCIV is also dropping. Okay. Now this could be, of course, just temporary, guys. It doesn't have to be something that is permanent. Okay, Tesla is actually having so Tesla's I think Tesla's support was at 713. That was where we needed to be for Tesla. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be trading just because I don't like where the market is going. I wish I could have bought something right here and helped everybody make a little bit of money while you guys are at the live, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be trading anything right now. Hold on, let me continue to see if I can find something that I want to trade. All right, let's see if we can find something that I want to trade. If I can find something that I want to trade today, I would be more than happy to buy. Okay, so open does look good. MACDs are looking good. Demand is looking good. Support is looking good. Everything in open door is actually looking fairly good for a long-term play. I think I may consider buying. What do you like better, Doge, Cardano, or Monero? I only invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do not invest. Oh, actually, I bought some Doge for fun, but that's about it. But if I were to support something, I think Cardano is what everybody seems to be talking about. I'm not too familiar with the crypto space. But I feel like Cardano is something that people are talking about. So guys, open is looking good for the day. Okay, I haven't made up my mind just yet, but open is looking good for the day. Much better than other stocks that we're looking at. Rocket is also, believe it or not, looking good today. It is at a high though. I don't know if we want to jump into Rocket at this price, but Rocket is looking good for today. Apple is continuing to drop. Rocket is looking good. Open is looking good. Let's see if we can see some of these other ticker symbols that we have as part of the portfolio. So we did have a huge buy right here when market opened in Givo. So that's something that should tell us something, right? Apple continuing to drop, stabilizing at $1. Oh, continuing to drop actually. Sorry, I take that back. I thought it was stabilizing for a second, but it is continuing to drop. Actually, let's take a look at some of my favorites. I don't think we've covered my favorites today. Wow, look at that. NNDM looking good. We did have a huge buy earlier in the day, looking good, but you know, we're gonna hold on. Looks like we may be able to enter an NDM at a lower price point, so we're gonna continue to look at that and see what is going on. Okay, BNGO looking great. BNGO is looking good, guys, at $10 at 17 cents. This is looking like a winner to me. Look at all these green candles. Buy, sell, buy. Even the sell, it wasn't able to, like, you know, hold sell too much. So I think BNGO may be something that we could look to get into today. Hold on, we're gonna wait and see what our entry points are, and we are gonna try to get into BNGO today. Okay, let's see what's going on with BNGO. Let's see what this next candle looks like. If we have momentum, we may consider jumping into BNGO. So it does look like we do have support for BNGO for today, at least, just on the 1 minute at $9.99. So $10 is our support line. We are currently 15 cents over that. Looking good. BNGO looking good, guys. I might actually add it into the portfolio today. I'm trying to cost average my way down from BNGO, so this actually may be something that works out very well for me. Okay, I'm going to quickly go over AMC one more time just before. Okay, AMC looking good. AMC is starting to pick up. Look at that. AMC is starting to pick up. 937, 938. Okay, so we did open right below $9, but it does look like, look at that volume, guys, and the MACD reversal is looking strong. So AMC, very high possibility to see that squeeze this week at this point, just because of where we are. Okay, AMD, did AMD have their earnings call already? I know that AMD has earnings, or are going to report earnings. Could you tell me if they had their earnings call? If they did, then we should expect the stock price to go down, just because there is a shortage, and I do expect them to be affected with the shortage. So that's something that we are going to have to look at. Okay, MACD is looking good. I think AMC, this looks like it may be true bottom for them. Okay, let's continue to watch AMD for a second and see where it's heading. Okay, so Apple does look like it has fallen to its bottom for the day. Well, for now at least, at 126.79. Actually, I take that back. It's 126.77. Let's see where this last candle closes. This is a green. It's a buy, but it does seem like the candle may close in the red. Okay, so Apple failing to hold support for the day. I don't know what that means as far as how low it can go. We need to continue to watch this a little further so we can understand the technicals and see where Apple is going to be. AMD is also looks like it has found the true bottom right around, let's see where this is at, 85.94. Actually, you know what, it kind of does that for me. So Apple right now support 126.71. AMD is at 85.94. So that's kind of where we're looking at and where we're gonna be as far as support levels for these stocks. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off the live. I'm gonna be posting a video later today on my portfolio and its performance. I'm also gonna be posting any member alerts. So for all of you members, I'm gonna be posting alerts as I buy and sell today. So if you haven't joined, become a member. The join button is right next to the subscribe button, and you will get those alerts every single day as I buy and sell and continue to buy and sell stocks. Other than that, I will see you guys after market closes, and we will analyze what is happening with the market today. I don't like the volumes as of right now. It does seem like we are heading towards a downtrend. So stay in your cash, and I will be giving you signals when I buy and sell later today. Okay, with that, I'll see you guys next video.